Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification, and that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making this here is your ingredients list. All right, so what we want to do is cut up our bread into cubes. I'm going to put it in a bowl, in a mixing bowl. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. And of course, don't forget to click the bell notification. All right, so we want to get some garlic. So we're going to use 2 cloves of garlic. If you want more, you can use more. Crush the garlic, add it to the bread. Then add some Italian seasoning. We're going to add now some olive oil. And we're going to mix well. Get everything nicely coated with the Italian seasoning, with the crushed garlic, and with the olive oil. I'm going to add a little bit of onion powder to it as well. There we have it, folks. Now we're going to place on a baking sheet, and we're going to bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until nice brown and crunchy. You can always, if you want it more crunchy, then you leave it longer. There you have it, folks, your homemade croutons. Enjoy!